Ever wondered how to make a healthy meal in just 15 minutes? I'm sure many of us have pondered this while scouring through countless recipes online. Often, we are left believing that a meal cooked in a short time will be devoid of nutritional value, or worse, could be junk food. But let's debunk that myth today. Welcome to the world where fast doesn't mean junk, and simple doesn't mean bland. A world where we revolutionize the concept of fast food. A place where we break down the stereotype that quick meals are unhealthy and slow-cooked meals are nutritious. A world where we are about to introduce you to a meal that is not only easy to prepare, but also packs a punch in terms of nutrition. This is the place where we challenge the belief that quick and healthy cannot coexist in the realm of food. We are here to dismiss the notion that ease and nutrition are mutually exclusive when it comes to our meals. We believe in the power of simple, fresh ingredients and the magic that can be created when they come together. Today, we unravel the magic of a meal that's as nutritious as it is easy to whip up. We take you on a journey through your very own kitchen, exploring the endless possibilities that await you in your pantry. We'll show you how to transform everyday ingredients into a culinary delight. Our star ingredient? The evergreen, ever-crunchy, and ever-delicious lettuce. Bursting with vitamins and minerals, lettuce adds a refreshing crunch to our meal. Considered to be an underdog in the world of vegetables, lettuce is full of health benefits. It's packed with vitamin A and K, providing a boost to your immune system and enhancing bone health. The water content in lettuce helps maintain hydration, while the fiber aids digestion. It is the perfect ingredient to add to your meal, not just for its taste and texture, for its health benefits. It makes the dish vibrant, fresh, and full of life. It's the hero of our dish today, playing a crucial role in ensuring the meal is as nutritious as it is delicious. So, are you ready to give your taste buds a healthy treat? Are you excited to embark on this culinary journey where we redefine the meaning of fast food? Are you ready to discover that a wholesome meal is just around the corner, waiting to be crafted by your own hands? Well, stay tuned because you're about to find out. First things first, gather all the ingredients. The initial step in creating a scrumptious and healthy meal is ensuring you have all the necessary components. It is an essential part of any culinary endeavor. Now let's introduce the star of our show, the lettuce. This unassuming leafy green, often overlooked, is not only delightfully crunchy and refreshingly crisp, but it's also packed with a multitude of nutritional benefits that can significantly contribute to your overall health. The lettuce we are using today is enriched with vitamins A and K. Vitamin A, a fat-soluble vitamin, is essential for maintaining good eye health, which is often compromised in this digital age where we spend countless hours gazing at screens. It also helps in supporting a healthy immune system, keeping fit and robust. Vitamin K, on the other hand, aids in promoting good bone health and ensures that your blood clots properly, a crucial aspect to prevent excessive bleeding. Next, we'll need some ripe tomatoes. Tomatoes are a great source of vitamin C and the antioxidant lycopene. This succulent fruit lends a slightly acidic yet sweet flavor to our dish, while its red color adds a visually appealing to the green lettuce. They packed with vitamin C that aids in tissue repair and immune function, and lycopene, a potent antioxidant that plays a significant role in maintaining good heart health and preventing cancer. Now let's not sideline the cucumbers. These hydrating green cylinders of nutrition contain a high amount of water, making them a perfect addition to any salad. Packed with important minerals like potassium, cucumbers help regulate blood pressure and support heart health. We'll also be adding some grilled chicken for a protein boost. Protein is an essential nutrient for muscle tissue repair and producing enzymes and hormones. Opt for a lean cut. It's not only healthier, but it also absorbs flavors better, making it just as delicious, if not more, than the fattier cuts. Topping it off, we'll need some olive oil and lemon juice for the dressing. Olive oil, a golden elixir of health, is an excellent source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. The lemon juice not only does it add a tangy kick to our salad, but it's also rich in vitamin C, which boosts your immunity and skin health. Preparing a meal is more than just combining ingredients. It's an art, it's a science, and most importantly, it's a way to communicate love and care. With all these fresh and healthy ingredients on our countertop, the stage is set. Every ingredient carefully selected not only adds to the flavor profile of the dish, but also contributes to our well-being. We have the entire spectrum of colors on our counter. Now let's bring them together. With all these fresh and healthy ingredients, we're ready to start cooking. Preparation is key to a smooth cooking experience. This is a truth universally acknowledged by both professional chefs and home cooks alike. It's one of those golden rules that, when adhered to, can turn the often stressful task of producing a meal into an enjoyable, productive process. It's all about setting yourself up for success and ensuring that you have all the necessary tools, ingredients, and knowledge at your disposal before you start. Cooking, much like any skilled craft or complex task, requires a well-thought-out plan of action. This might involve carefully reading through the recipe and visualizing each step, gathering all your ingredients and equipment in one place, or mentally preparing yourself for the work ahead. By taking the time to prepare, you're not only making the actual cooking process easier and more efficient, but also more enjoyable. You're freeing yourself from the shackles of uncertainty and giving yourself the space to truly immerse yourself in the culinary process. In this fast-paced world, we often neglect the art of preparation in favor of getting things done as quickly as possible. But in the kitchen, speed isn't always the key to success. Sometimes it's about taking a step back, slowing down, and truly savoring each moment of the cooking process. It's about appreciating the different textures, colors, and flavors of the ingredients, and the tactile satisfaction of transforming them into a delicious, nutritious meal. When it comes to preparing a meal, it's not just about the food. It's also about setting the mood and creating an environment conducive to cooking. This might mean putting on some soothing music, lighting a scented candle, or simply taking a few moments to clear your mind before getting started. Remember, cooking is not just a chore, it's a pleasure, a creative outlet, and a way to nourish both your body and your soul. It's an opportunity to unwind, learn new skills, and explore different cultures through their cuisine. So don't rush through the preparation. Embrace it, enjoy it, and let it be the platform for an amazing cooking experience. Preparation isn't only about making your cooking experience easier, it's also about making it healthier. By planning and preparing your meals in advance, you're more likely to make healthier choices and less likely to resort to unhealthy convenience foods. You're also more likely to experiment with different ingredients, try new recipes, and discover new flavors in dishes you love. So here we are, ready to embark on the exciting journey of cooking. Let's not just dive in headfirst without a second thought. No, let's take a deep breath, put on our aprons, gather our utensils and ingredients, and embrace the art of preparation. We'll approach each step with mindfulness, care, and a sense of anticipation. And with that, let's roll up our sleeves and dive right into the initial steps of our healthy lettuce meal. Now we're cooking. Let's get these fresh ingredients sizzling. Are you ready to embark on a culinary adventure with me? First, we're going to initiate our journey by igniting the stove and turning the knob to the medium. The medium heat is perfect for our purpose because it ensures that our ingredients will cook evenly and just right without getting burnt. So, let's watch as the stove's flame dances and flickers, gradually warming the pan that awaits our culinary masterpiece. Our next step involves an essential component of any kitchen wizard's arsenal: olive oil. We're going to pour in a small amount of olive oil, allowing it to delicately slide around the surface of our pan. Olive oil is a fantastic choice here, not only for its rich, robust flavor that it will impart to our dish, but also due to its numerous health benefits. Packed with monounsaturated fats, it's known to be beneficial for heart health, potentially reducing the risk of heart diseases. Now let's sit back for a moment and watch as our olive oil begins to heat up. Patience is key here, my friends. You'll begin to notice that it starts glistening under the heat, shimmering lightly across the breadth of the pan. This beautiful shimmer is not just aesthetically pleasing, but it also serves a purpose. It's our reliable indicator that the olive oil is adequately heated and ready for the next step. That's the sign it's ready to welcome our ingredients. And that's how you create a healthy, tasty, and quick meal using lettuce. In under 15 minutes, we've assembled a nutrient-rich dish that's uncomplicated and effortless to make. The key ingredients? Fresh produce, a touch of culinary flair, and a love for wholesome food. This salad's charm isn't just in its flavor, its simplicity and speed are equally appealing. It's proof that tasty, nutritious meals can be prepared quickly, even on a busy schedule. The result is a meal that's not only speedy and straightforward, but also nourishing. It's a testament to the fact that healthy eating doesn't have to be complex or unenjoyable. It's all about the choices we make. Health doesn't have to be a chore or a bore. So here's to making good choices and crafting meals that are as good for the body as they are for the taste buds. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming. Next time, happy cooking!